It's
Well,
written.
catch your voice.
He is Muslim. It's written in the Quran. Quran is the word of God. Simple as that.
So, but you don't have any particular details in relation to why Jesus is a Muslim?
See, you have to make an assessment worldwide. You're getting my point. Like there are 4 or 5 major religions in the world. Either so finally when you reach to a conclusion, either Islam is the right religion or either Christianity. You're getting my point. So,
So, why do you think Islam is the right religion?
see why
Give me one good reason why we should discard all of history that we are aware of,
why we should discuss? We should
that
not,
we should be well we
No,
are
we
aware
shall-
of,
we shall
and
not-
consider
no.
Islam to be the true religion.
No,
Why?
we shall not discard all the history. It's not the Islamic point that we shall discard all the
Christianity
history.
came before Islam.
Yeah, we
Now,
shall.
to
no,
claim that suddenly Christianity is very clear that Jesus is God. Now, Christianity has been around for a number of centuries, even before Islam even showed up. For Islam to come and suddenly claim that Jesus was not just God, not just not God, but also that he was a mere Muslim, I'd like to find out why should we discard history for the sake of Islam? What is the reason? What evidence have you got for Islam to be considered the true religion?
I mean, the first thing is you're saying we shall discard history. It's not the case. When it comes to Islam, we respect Jesus Christ, we respect Moses, we respect all the prophet before Prophet Muhammad. You're getting my point. So, and then for the first thing is we are not discarding the history, and the second thing is why we shall accept Islam as the one religion, like compared to Christianity.
True religion,
Because,
true religion.
Because the first thing is it makes sense.
In what way? Please give
Yeah,
details.
like it makes sense. It's preaching like, for example, there is only one God, which for example is a very for example a very basic instinct. For example, a child, so for example, a 7 or 8 year child. If you just go and explain to a 7 or 8 year child, a man was a god or there was 3 in 1 and all of that, you're getting my point. He will not agree to that thing.
I don't understand. Have you ever read the Bible in
No,
detail?
I haven't read
So
the
you
Bible.
haven't read the detail of Christian theology. Please don't even get there.
No,
Don't
I-
undermine something which you haven't read.
No, I haven't read that.
So please don't undermine what you haven't read. Don't make it trivial, because some of the brightest minds have been Christian in human history. Please don't trivialize that. It's not as trivial as that. So let me ask you this very simple question again. What is the evidence to consider Islam alone to be the true religion today? What's the evidence?
You have such a book in your hand, and you're saying. And you're
It
saying,
was revealed to every messenger of God that a prophet will come at the end, which will be he will be the last prophet.
Yeah, please.
Even to Moses.
No, no.
This is the Bible.
so it's
Show
not
me-
the Bible.
show me where
it's
the
not the
Bible,
Bible.
but
It's
it's
the
one-
corrupted version of the Bible.
Yeah.
You come up, it's the Bible.
Why do you, so this is
Yeah, it's
the corrupted
it
version.
is the corrupted version of the Bible.
What's the evidence that the Bible is corrupt? What's
So,
the
so for example, what's the evidence? This book we consider is the final book, complete book, without any contradiction, directly from the God, revealed to a prophet who was neither able to read and write. You're getting my point. And then this book, which we consider as the truth, it's written inside it that this book is corrupted, and
It
simple as
was
that.
preserved.
Just so,
And this book, and just go. And the book which I'm talking about is preserved from 1400 years. It's in the same condition from last 1400 years. The prophecies of Prophet Muhammad are coming true. We can see the prophecies of Prophet.
let me go back.
No, I'm just, you see, I
you're
don't.
throwing in all sorts
No,
of red herrings.
I
here.
will not go
all
in.
sorts
see,
of red herrings here.
Yeah.
You look like a sensible man. Yeah.
no, just go on.
But I'd really like to get to some sense here, because so far you haven't given any meat to chew on. You've just made claims after claim after claim. I'd like to find out evidence. You know, anyone can show up here and say, you are a murderer, you are a thief, you are this, you are that. What's the evidence you have that this is a true religion?
See, in terms
Islam
of
is a true religion. What's the evidence you have?
Quran is
We
the
have the
evidence.
Quran.
Quran, the book which is preserved from last 1400 years in its form, revealed to Prophet Muhammad, not changed. There is no any contradictory thing in it. It's being revealed by the God. This is the evidence, and this is the miracle of Prophet Muhammad.
In other words, your one claim right now, one argument right now, is that the preservation of this text is the evidence.
Yeah, that is the one evidence.
Yeah, that's the one you've
It's
given
not
so
a
far.
claim, it's
Good.
a fact.
We'll see if it is a fact or not. That's the one claim you've made so far.
Enough.
Let's see. Let's
No,
see.
no.
that-
See why? Just bring a counter to it.
Well, I'm-
Now, if you count,
I'm going to.
no, just
I'm
counter
going to
it
right now.
in
I'm
one
going
line.
to
In
right
one
now.
line, counter
I'm
something
going
to
right
the
now.
Quran.
I'm
Yeah.
going to right
Okay,
now.
counter it.
So your claim is, your argument is to back up the claim that the preservation of the Quran means it's from God. Let me ask you this very simply.
Okay.
Are you suggesting just because some book is preserved, even if it is preserved, which I don't think is the case at all, I'll get to that in a minute. Are you saying if a book is preserved, it is from God? Is that what you're saying?
From last 1400 years, the book.
So now you want time period included. Are you saying if a book is preserved for 1400 years, then it must be from God? Is that what you're saying?
Somehow, yeah, I'm trying to say.
So
that.
if I show you a book from before the time of
No,
Jesus,
not only
some manuscripts
preserved.
right
I said
now. So what's
there is no any contradictory thing as
Because
well.
you're veering
Yeah,
away
I
right
said,
now.
I said this
You're
is
veering
one,
away
no, I
right
said
now.
this is the one thing, but the second thing is a
I-
preserved book.
I'd like to stick to one thing.
Okay, okay.
Because otherwise you can be jumping from
Okay,
one
yeah, yeah,
place to
alright,
another,
alright,
and none of them
alright,
might be
alright,
true.
alright, yeah, yeah.
So one thing, can we please very quickly agree?
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure you'd be able to quickly agree that logically speaking, just because a book is preserved, even if it is true, I don't think that is true at all. I'll come to that in a minute. But even if it is true, just because a book is preserved, it does not mean it is from God. I can show you a number of books.
No, you cannot. show me.
Outside-
Like from last.
Have you ever heard of- have you ever-
Tell me any book which is preserved from last 1400 years. Tell me any book.
I can tell you.
Yeah, just
I-
tell me anyone. Just tell me.
Okay. So if you are you,
You're not able to tell me.
are
See,
you oh,
tell me.
Are you aware of Dead Sea Scrolls?
So you mean this is preserved? The book is preserved?
Are you
Yeah, okay,
aware?
you're
Are you
saying,
aware?
you're saying the book is preserved.
There are a number of books.
Just tell me one book.
There are a number of.
Tell me one book.
There are a number of books. A number of books in what is called the Dead Sea collection.
Okay, great. One book. Tell me one book.
Let me finish. Let me finish.
Okay.
There are a number of books which are today called what is called the Dead Sea Scrolls,
Okay.
a collection.
Okay.
Some of which are biblical books, some of which are not biblical books. I can name one for you.
Tell me.
Which we have even from before the time of Jesus.
Okay,
we
tell
can
me.
have a copy.
Tell me.
Oh, the War Scroll.
The War Scroll is a book which is preserved.
Yeah, which is
How many
we
people?
have-
Okay. You mean preserved? Like how many people do you know that they have literally memorized the book from 2000
Now
years
you're
ago?
veering away.
No, I'm not.
Now you're veering
I'm not-
away.
You know why we
You're
are
not saying- no,
Just tell
excuse me.
you know,
One second.
you
You know when an argument is a logical argument.
how
Do you know when an argument is a logically
Say,
sound
say,
argument?
yeah.
One second.
Say,
One second.
how
Do you
can-
know when an argument is a logically sound argument? When you claim something, you don't have to make things up as you go along.
But-
One second.
no, no,
One
no,
second.
just-
One second.
no, no.
When you
You-
don't
when
have
you
to
said-
make
no, no,
things
no,
up
no.
as you go along,
When you said it's
you can
preserved,
stick to the original
I can
argument.
say 1,000 things without backing it with evidence. Can you back this thing with evidence that you said the book is preserved?
That's fine.
I am
saying-
backing this thing with an evidence that millions of people have memorized
coming,
this book.
Coming to the evidence later.
That- not
I'm
coming to
asking you-
evidence, there
I'm
is-
ask- you be look. Maybe you're having a short-term memory loss here. Let me repeat what I said earlier. You gave you think you have many reasons, but you began by saying preservation of the text.
Yeah.
Preservation of the Quran means Quran is from God. That's what you claimed.
Exactly.
I'd like to just stick to that claim,
Exactly.
please. And I asked you because even that claim doesn't make sense to me
Okay.
because it is not logically valid to claim
Okay.
just because a book is preserved.
Okay.
My diary
Then
is
bring something else.
One second. Just because a book is preserved, that it has to be from God. That doesn't logically follow.
Okay.
And that is where
Bring something.
That is
Bring
where
something then.
I'm giving you an example. You may
Which
not be
is-
aware.
Exactly.
Are you aware of the Dead
Okay,
Sea Scrolls?
let's see if I'm aware of.
Are you aware of the
For
Dead Sea
example,
Scrolls?
okay, let's. I'm aware of that thing. For
Are
example,
you aware of the Dead Sea Scrolls?
I'm not aware. For example,
In
for
which
example,
case
for
you are
example,
arguing from ignorance.
sir, I'm
You
not
are
arguing.
you can
I'm-
only.
I will just ask you one more question. You said there is a book which is preserved. You just made a statement. You're getting my point. I'm just asking you. Can you tell me the evidence that the book is preserved? Do you have an evidence?
We have a copy.
We have a copy. Blah
There we go.
blah.
You
You
won't
don't.
listen, you won't
Yeah,
engage.
we have a copy. You don't have
You
anything.
don't engage in an argument.
No.
I thought you'd be a sensible man.
No.
I don't. I'm
See,
taking
when
that
I'm,
comment
no,
back.
when I'm
taking that
take
comment
the
back.
comment back.
Because
When
you're not being sensible right
when
now.
I'm saying a book is
You're not
preserved,
being sensible
you get it?
right
When
now.
I'm saying a book is preserved, I make three statements. I said that the book is preserved. There is no contradictory evidence in it, and the book has been, for example, if the book, how the book has been preserved, it has been memorized by millions of people. You
What's
getting
the
my?
evidence that anyone memorized the Quran during the time of Muhammad?
Then that's it.
What's the evidence that anyone memorized the Quran during the time
Quran
of Muhammad?
itself is a evidence.
What's that?
Quran itself is a evidence that it is a prophet.
I ask you for the Quran, you talk about the memorization.
No,
I'm
for
asking you
example,
again, please. Maybe you didn't listen carefully.
I listened the final
repeat
question.
this.
Yeah.
What is the evidence that the Sahaba, any or all of the Sahaba, memorized the Quran?
I'm really sorry. Then if you are asking this question, that means You don't want to, like, for example, if
What
you.
is
if,
it? Do you have an evidence or not?
No, no, yeah. Now, if
You
something
clearly
like
don't
that,
have an evidence.
no, no,
You're
it's
struggling.
it's something
It's
like
time
no,
to
no,
give
no,
up.
no, no, no.
When you
no, no.
can't provide
It's not
evidence,
about, no, no, no.
time to give up.
No, no, for everything, for example, then, for example, you can just come up with say, do you have an evidence that the God exists? Like, show me where is God. You get my point? You're asking.
Earlier you started
You're asking
by
me
saying,
just a question
you started
that
by
show
saying
me.
it's a fact. You see how your husband is struggling right now?
No, he's
I'm
not
asking
struggling.
just a few
He
questions.
just don't want to argue
Few
with the
questions.
fool.
Yeah, I'm
I just-
assuming
I
it's your
just
husband.
don't want
He just
to-
don't
a
want
few-
to argue with the few. Fool.
Exactly.
Okay.
Just
I
listening.
see. Okay, that's
So
fine.
why should
That's fine.
I respond to your silly question? Now you can, for example, what is the evidence? The book has been memorized by millions of people. You know,
Evidence.
the evidence is that
That you are claiming this? Evidence is what?
then
The evidence is what? Please fill.
the evidence is I myself is an evidence I have memorized. Like
No,
I can
listen to
I
the
can
question
see,
again.
I can say
Sahaba.
you can keep.
Just move to the reality.
One
Don't
second,
ask
my dear
what
friend.
your
One second.
Don't
One
ask-
second, my dear friend.
don't ask
Now,
silly
when you
questions.
go home, I'm assuming that's your husband. Yeah.
I will suggest
Yeah.
you go
When you go home,
and you
when you
start
go home,
studying
just tell him
Islam.
no. Look, this
Just
is how
start
you're
studying
doing
the
everything.
history of Islam.
You're not able to back up anything with evidence.
he's
This is
not
why we
backing
have
up.
struggles
He's
at
not
home.
backing
Please,
up.
this is a joke.
He's
man.
just-
Lovely couple. God bless you. But my important point is the one reason you gave as to why Islam is a true religion, you weren't able to back up. It's a
not
shame,
backup.
really. It's really
It's
a shame.
not a backup.
It's a real shame.
It's
And
not
therefore,
actually a backup. We are not like we don't want to lose our precious words on a fool who wants to argue.
in other words, you haven't given any
No,
evidence so far.
Yes, I'm saying Quran itself is an evidence.
This is
is
A
a
book,
fact.
a book, a
Do you think
preserved
that
book,
could
work?
a
No,
preserved
do you
book,
think that claim would
a
work?
preserved
Quran
book
itself?
without any contradictory thing in it, memorized by
Are you
millions
sure there
of
is no
people.
contradiction in the Quran?
It's not
Not
about.
even a
Then you
single
Are you
can.
sure there is no contradiction in the
La
Quran?
ilaha illallah. You also know that there is no. You can.
I
you
can
will
give
try,
you one
you
contradiction.
will try your best.
Can I try?
You will try your
Would
best,
you
and
engage
then you
with
will
that at
again
least?
come. You will come up with a silly thing.
Would you at least engage with that?
See,
Are you afraid already?
I'm damn sure that if the question you asked, that if there is any evidence that the Quran has been memorized by anyone in the time of Prophet Muhammad, the silly question which you asked, again you're going to
It's a
bring.
silly question?
Yeah, it's a silly question.
Asking question
You know
about
this. The
history
book.
is silly?
You know that the book
My dear
has been
friend, I am a
memorized.
Christian.
Yeah, the book.
I am
has-
a Christian. I am a Christian. Let me do one thing, please. Ask about Jesus Christ. I'll give you plenty of details. Can I please give you this? Please, this is a gift for you.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ and the
Yeah.
history of Jesus Christ from the first century is solid. Solid.
He was
So
just
can you
a
give me your
messenger
hand?
of God.
Yeah.
Take the book. We know more about Jesus Christ in
You
the
don't-
Quran.
You don't read any book, do you? No knowledge of
everything.
Dead Sea Scroll.
I will
No
read.
knowledge of Dead Sea Scroll. Would you?
More,
Can I give you
more
as a
things
gift?
are written in the.
Can I give you as a gift?
In the Quran, we know much more details are written
Can
in
I
the
give
Quran
you as a
about.
gift?
No, I don't.
Where was Jesus born? Does the Quran give you details?
It's so the first thing is I'm not sure whether
Where was Jesus born? Does the
is it
Quran give you
important.
details?
Is it important?
Well, you said Jesus.
Is it
the
important for me that
you
where
said,
Jesus born?
Okay, let me repeat
We
what you
just-
said earlier.
Just-
One second. You said earlier
Yeah.
the Quran gives much more detail. I'm assuming-
enough for
I'm ask-
myself to conclude who
Do you-
Jesus
okay,
was.
Let me ask you again. Does the Quran give much more detail about Jesus than the Bible? or
Enough
not?
to
Are you going to
understand.
retract that statement?
Enough
too?
to understand
We are
who
not going
Jesus
to
was.
distract that. He
In
was
other words,
just a
Quran
messenger
gives some
of
gibberish.
God.
What's that?
He was just a messenger of God. As Muhammad
And that's
What
it.
does the Bible claim?
And that, but I, see,
Bible
this
was
is it.
revealed to him by God.
What does the Bible claim
As-
about
as-
Jesus?
Yeah, your corrupted version of Bible.
Your corrupted version of Bible.
Corrupted version.
Yes,
Do you
it has been changed over years, over centuries. This is not the true version of Bible.
Do you know of any? There are thousands of manuscripts of the Bible today, New Testament.
You know
today.
what?
Do you know of
You know-
one
you
manuscript?
know-
One
you
second,
know-
let me. Very interesting question.
We have.
Do you
Quran.
know
Yeah,
of
just
one?
enough to
Do you
just-
do you know of one manuscript of a gospel somewhere which claims that Jesus is not God? Anyone?
In Quran, everything.
Not
is
Quran.
written-
I'm asking about
No,
a manuscript
Quran has
because you
everything.
mentioned about corruption
Quran
of the
has everything.
Bible.
Yeah,
I'd like to find out if there is one evidence, one
see,
manuscript
it's just a
for a gospel
Can
which
you
claims
give- no,
Jesus is
wait.
not God.
Can you give me a single evidence that Bible is not corrupted? It has not been changed.
I can give you.
No, you
And that-
cannot.
Wow, you
can-
say, wow, 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 wow.
you can-
I'm not like you.
No, you can give
I'm
all
not like you,
your
my dear
made
friend.
up stories, made up things.
My dear friend, I'm not like you.
Yeah, I'm not.
I
like
asked your husband
I
for
just-
evidence, he could not. You,
We have
I
a
completely
great-
understand. You are his wife,
have-
so you
no,
need to make sure
We
your
have-
husband has good
No, it's
reputation
not
as he leaves
about
Speaker's Corner.
reputation and
I
everything.
completely understand.
We are
But having
Muslims.
said that,
We are-
I
no,
completely
no,
see that
listen to
already,
me,
very
listen
much
to me.
see,
We have a
because you're
great-
not looking for answers to crucial questions. Muslims do this
No, we
all
like-
the time.
Just
We are
about
not
Jesus
here to
Christ. For
prove
example,
anything.
Let me ask you
just a
one
minute, just a
question.
minute, You move for
Do you know-
just a minute, Mate, what's your name? What's your good name?
Arul.
Arun, my name is Nazir.
Nazir?
Nazir. You moved from one thing, for example, we were trying to say that if a book is preserved and all of that, you moved from that already all the
Because
way
you
to
did
get
not engage.
Okay, now you're
Because she said,
now
she
you're
doesn't give
now you're
evidence
trying
to the
now you're
proofs.
trying to say that whether Jesus was God or not and all of that thing.
My dear friend Nazir,
it's
I'll remind you, maybe you're forgetting this again. I asked you, does preservation mean supernatural origin? You could not answer. I asked you. You said, well, that's where memorization comes in. I asked you, do you have evidence for memorization by the Sahabas? You could not give an answer. And at that stage, at that stage, our friend here, very eloquently to save you,
We are just-
she said,
no,
she
we are
said,
just-
she doesn't give evidence to the fools. So
Evidence
that's where
is
I thought,
Quran.
okay, that's fine,
Yes,
we'll move on. And that is where you said, between you, somehow you
do
made a
not-
few comments. You said
No,
Jesus is
you
not
actually-
God, the Bible is
actually,
corrupt
my
and so
brother,
on. And
my
there too
brother,
you are struggling.
You
So
do
it is
not
time
want to,
really.
You do not want to accept this, that Quran is the main evidence. It is the main fact. It has all the things. It has all
Everything
the
about
information.
Quran is a Mickey Mouse story.
No, it's not.
You did not
How
give
can
any
you claim
evidence from
that?
Sahabas.
Don't say this Mickey Mouse story thing. You get my
How
point?
can you claim
No,
that?
don't use.
Why not?
Don't do such a slurs. Honestly speaking.
Why not?
No. It's not a
Fantasy
good-
story.
No,
Would
no,
that be a
it's not
better word?
You can
expression?
say-
I would suggest revert back to Allah.
Just a minute.
How
Don't
do you,
use.
how do you call fiction?
It's not
What is
a
a better
Yeah,
term for
you can say
Fiction.
fictitious. Yeah, all right.
Fictitious, a myth. Almost
your
every
religions
claim
are
about
myths.
Islam could be demonstrated to be
All your-
desperate, false
all your religion
lies,
is a myth.
indoctrination.
Actually, all the
This is where
Christianity is a
questions are
myth.
ما
important.
accept مش accept no.
Nazir,
مش accept like we accept
We
Jesus
accept Christianity, but we
to
don't
the extent
accept
that Jesus
what you
Christ is a
say.
prophet.
that is not Christianity.
Hazrat
You can't
Isa-
have the cake and eat it too. You can't say I accept
Christ
Islam,
was-
but I just think Muhammad is not a messenger. Can I do
He was a
that?
messenger of God. He was the last messenger of God, of Allah.
So do you know about the history of Muhammad?
Yes, I know everything about Muhammad. We have been taught since.
When is the first record for the gentleman called Muhammad of Islam?
record?
What's the first
Now-
historical artifact
No, we
to
don't.
justify
You
details
are
of his
just-
life?
You can again asking some tiny bits about the history.
Tiny bits. I asked you about Jesus, you couldn't answer. I asked you about the Quran, you couldn't answer. Now I'm asking you about
Just
Muhammad.
accept this.
Do you know?
Okay,
don't
just
you
a
know?
minute. After all this discussion, you're going to prove me that there was a human being and he was God. Come on.
Like seriously.
Yeah. After all, like for example, let you win. For example, Arun, let you win every. For example, let for example you win all the arguments. At the end, you are going to.
This is not about
you're
me
going,
winning.
just a minute, Arun. At the end, you are going to tell me that there was a human being who was born, and he was God. At the end, you will come up to this conclusion at the end of the day. You're getting my
We
point?
need to stick
Which
to
is
facts all the way through.
not a logical thing at all.
Explain, please.
And that is it. We explain it. If I explain to you, you will not accept it. I know.
Do you live in the UK?
Yeah.
Can I please suggest something? Wednesdays, 8 p.m. on YouTube, we do live streams. Wednesday, 8 p.m. London time. The channel is called Operation Stephen with a PH. Operation
Which
Stephen.
will explain that Jesus Christ is God.
We'll go
A
through
human
the
being,
details.
which will explain a human being is
Don't,
God.
don't be scared about discussions.
No, I'm
discussions
not.
are important.
I'm not scared about
Asking
discussion.
questions are important.
I'm not scared
Please.
about discussion.
Wednesday, please remind your
No, no.
husband. You can remind. Together you can show.
No, I'm not
Wednesdays,
scared about
8 p.m.
discussion. I'm scared. I'm not. I'm saying like, I'm saying at the end you will bring up that Jesus Christ
Good
is
to see
God.
you. Good to see you.
Okay, all
Good
right.
to see you. Lovely conversation. You're lovely people.
Whose was this?
I don't know. Lovely conversation. Lovely people to speak to. God's blessings to you. I really like you. Wednesday, 8 p.m. I know he may forget things. Wednesday, 8 p.m.
He left?
Operation Stephen.